Welcome to qnawire.
All right, part A says, suppose that an alkaline battery was manufactured using cadmium metal rather than zinc. What effect would this have on the cell EMF? All right, so we're thinking about using cadmium instead of zinc. All right, so in zinc, the reaction is Zn2 plus 2 electrons goes to Zn, and that has an E naught equal to negative 0.76 volts. Cadmium is also a 2 plus charge, so it'd be plus 2 electrons, and it has an E naught of CD, to CD, and it has an E naught equal to negative 0.40 volts. So this would be the anode, and or in the problem it says that this is the anode. Okay, so this is where, because it's the anode, remember the anode is where the oxidation reaction is occurring, and so for oxidation, since these are reduction potentials, for oxidation we want a bigger negative number. So the bigger the negative number, the more likely it is to be the oxidation reaction. And cadmium is a smaller negative number. So there's going to be a smaller difference between the cadmium and the reduction potential for the reduction half reaction. So therefore the EMF for if the the EMF or the E cell of the reaction with the cadmium is going to be smaller than the E cell for zinc. All right. Part B says what environmental advantage is provided by the use of nickel metal hydride batteries over nickel cadmium batteries. So the nickel metal hydride batteries, they do not use any toxic heavy metals as at the anode. So you don't have any toxic heavy metals that are being produced going from an ion to a solid metal that could then get out into the environment. That's not happening in the nickel metal hydride batteries. However, in the nickel cadmium, the one with cadmium in it, you are producing cadmium metal, which is a toxic heavy metal. And so then that can get out into the environment. And as I said, it is toxic. So that is not an advantage to using the cadmium battery.